Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Pontiac Aztek Custom. Well, Pontiac Aztek infamously is known to be one of the ugliest car, and I can see why. But this one is not a standard one, it's a custom one. It's by Hotwheels, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here it is, the Pontiac Aztek. This one definitely is a custom and it's lowered and had got body kit and stuff. Originally it was an SUV, so you would see it much higher prime. Let's talk about the details on this one. So up front you've got the detailed headlamp, detailed grille, 68 on the hood, and then you can see a body kit and front lip there. Also, if you see it from here, you can see those extended wheel arches. So wider wheel arches compared to an actual car. You've got both the mirrors, windshield wiper, and you can see a big spoiler in the back. On the driver's side, again you can see the body kit here. These wheels, we have been seeing this for I don't know how many years now on Hot Wheels. A nice paint job on the side, and you can see the body kit there too. Moving to the back, you can again see body kit there being wider than the actual body. Tail lamps are there but not detailed. Big splitter in the bottom, you can see, huge. Coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical, can't see any major differences, and the interior is done in black, no major details there. And this is how it looks from bottom. So overall, I would like to have like a standard casting of Aztek with the custom one. It might be ugly, but again, it's a car which you see on road. But overall, I think it's a decent casting, and nothing special about it. Maybe if you're one of those who can add details, soft wheels to it, and it might look better, I guess. Well, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching.